that. What does it say here? It says piano. Piano means soft. You're supposed to play piano.
Right.
No, that's all wrong. Stop it. Stop it at once, I say. I said stop. Let's pick it up from 1M3, bar 22, the violin solo. Violinists, the next part is very cartoony, so I need you to purposely play this section badly.
Well, you come to the right place.
Can we play badly too? We won't let you down.
No. Bar 22. And 1, 2, 3, and...
Hey, it wasn't like this back in the good old days at the Philharmonic. We played real music, not this noise.
Oh, come on. This is unplayable.
Get these things away from me!
Stand back. We'll take care of this.
Bad news. Bad news.
There. Our job here is done.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And a special thanks to all the little quarter notes that made this possible.
All right, that does it. How can I conduct when you three are driving me crazy?
We'll show you how.
I think it should go something like this.
Stop it right now!
Yeah, it's my turn.
This is not the right music.
How about this?
Give me that. Yes, like this. Better. Very nice. Huh? Come back here with that.